welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you guys this eye look, this kind of fall eye look. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I might do a voiceover so you guys can know what I'm using. Obviously I didn't talk through this video, but if I do the voiceover and plus I'll link some of the products I use down below. Obviously I'll try to link them all in, so yeah, bear with me, alright? And hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the video.
So we're going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and we're going to use the yellow color, and we're going to put it all over our lid. Keep on packing this color until you have your color that you desire. As you can tell, I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done. Now we are going to focus on our eyes. Now I'm going to go in with this orange shade of color, and I'm going to pack it in our crease also. And also get the pigmentation of the color that you desire. I don't know, here I didn't fast forward, but it's taking forever. Now we're gonna go in with this other shade of color that is more orange tone, and we're gonna put it all over our crease also. I don't know if you've seen my other eye look, but there's this other sunset look that almost has the same colors as this one, but technically a little bit different. Now we're going to go in with the brown shade of color, and we're going to pack it in our outer corner. Right here, as you can tell, that brush didn't work. So we're actually going to get a different brush that's going to actually get the pigmentation and the color I need, like this one. And we're just going to blend it out with the orange and the yellow color to make it seamless and not have any harsh lines. And just blend out all the colors with another brush that you used at the beginning. Okay, now we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to carve out our cut crease. Actually, this is just a half cut crease. It's not a full cut crease because I'm not going to be putting any other color on the outer. I just want the brown shade of color, and that's it. Now we have already set our lid, our cut crease, and we're going to put in a orange color in our inner corner of our eye that is lighter than any of the other colors, but also orange. And just keep on packing the color until the color you desire, obviously. This eye look is kind of an eye look that however you want the colors to look like. Now we're going to go in with the purple shade of color, and we're going to put it in our middle of our lid just to give it a pop for the glitter that's going to go on top of it. And keep in mind that all the colors I'm usually using are from the Jaclyn Hill palette that I got for my birthday. Yeah, just get to it. Don't be paying attention to whatever's coming on the TV. And just keep on packing it. As you can tell, this is a slow motion thing, and you can tell this is just funny. I'm kind of liking it but not liking it, so that's why I'm going in with a gold color, like a glitter gold color on top of it, and also using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And just putting all over the middle of the lid, not inner or outer, just the middle, just to cover the color that I really didn't like, so we're just going to cover it up. So right here we're using an angle brush, and we're putting on the NYX glitter primer, and with this glitter primer we're going to try to do a liner with it. Now we're gonna go in with the hard candy glitter, and you could use any kind of glitter or any kind of color. I like this color and this glitter because it's a little chunky, and I like it like this because you can notice it a little better. And I chose this color because I just felt like it went with it. I actually chose two of the colors. I used a more gold color and then a more lighter gold color, as you can tell in the video. And just pack it in until you desire how much glitter you want. Now I'm going to take off this tape. As you can tell, I've been using tape to get the sharp edge. I already did my other eye off camera. Now I have been using the Tarte Shape Tape as my favorite concealer. As you can tell, I already put on my foundation before anything. I wanted to do my eyes before doing my whole entire face. Now we're just going to blend this all out seamlessly, and try not to ruin the line we did, sharp line that we did with the tape. Right here, I'm already setting it down because obviously my under eye creases a lot and I want it to not crease, obviously. Now I'm just going to take off the foundation from my lips because I look kind of pale, obviously because I haven't bronzed up yet. So now we're going to use one of the orange color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to put it in our lower lash line, and also we're going to grab the brown shade of color and we're going to put it in the outer corner line too, and just going to blend those two colors together to get the perfect color to combine the lid. I usually don't like putting any color on my bottom lid because it makes my eyes get really red. Now we're going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in light medium, and we're just going to bronze up our whole entire face. I've been loving this bronzer. It's honestly one of the best bronzers out there in the drugstore. It's only around $10 or $13 depending on where you buy it. And right here I'm just using a contour brush. Obviously in this video I'm not telling you what kind of brushes I use because everybody uses different brushes. Now I'm going to set my face because I feel like it's really dry. My face gets really dry. Now we're going to put in some glitter in our inner corner from the hard candy, and I'm going to put a lighter shade of gold color, obviously to give that pop of color in our inner corner. Now we're going to get mascara, any kind of mascara you love. Obviously this one is from the drugstore, it's from L'Oreal. And we're just going to prime our eyelashes for our fake eyelashes that we're going to put on. Now we're going to sharpen up our browns to have a really sharp edge. And just put a little bit more powder. I like putting a little more powder once already set because I feel like it just gives it a little extra, I guess you can say. Now I'm just going to dust off all the powder off. Obviously we don't want that white cast. And now we're going to use this highlighter that I actually got from my IPSY Glam bag, my first time getting my IPSY Glam bag. And we're going to use this brush right here from Wet n Wild, and we're going to put it for our highlighter. As you can tell, this highlighter is so pretty. It has this kind of pink reflections, which I love, but sometimes kind of not like, but still dig it. I don't know how to say it. Now we're just going to put some mascara in our lower lashes. So I am back and I already have the eyelashes, and obviously I put a lip up color, and let me tell you, it does not go with it, but I just wanted something for my eyes to not feel lonely and sad. Hopefully you guys all enjoy this video, and please stay tuned for more videos that will be coming, especially for this fall.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this new video I did today. This is obviously a fall makeup look. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know this lip does not go with it, but honestly I was just like, I'm just doing this for the eyes. Give a thumbs up and comment and like and turn on your bell button so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video.